Alright, today we're going to do a video of a Tormach 1100 MX vertical machining center. The machine is equipped with the automatic tool changer and the 4th axis. It also has probing. The spindle's running right now at 900. That's 2000. That's 3500. It's a BT30 spindle. And that's 4500 RPM. Nice and quiet. We'll do a tool change. Spindle will orient. Shuttle comes in, it unclamps, then it retracts, indexes to its next position, comes down, we can jog the axes. That's your Z-axis rapid, nice and quiet. You also have Y, which is your in and out, also nice and quiet. Your X. And then you have, again, your rotary. There is also a tailstock that comes with the rotary unit. You can see those in the photos. There's a bunch of tooling that comes with it as well. Again, it has the touch setter, the probe, a good amount of extra accessories. It basically does it. It can be seen in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Oh, it's 230 volt, single phase. Machine also has a coolant system. Again, thanks for watching.